What is up guys, Dan at the side. In this video I'm going to show you how to change your default Outlook signature in Outlook Mail. So first you need to head over to your Outlook Mails from here, and then you need to log in with your Outlook Mail account credential. After that, when you're redirected to the home page, on the right side you need to click on settings, and from here you need to click on account. And after clicking on account, you need to click on signatures. And from here, the signatures window will open. Simply click on this new signature, and then you need to enter the signature name, and then you need to do the signature. After that, just simply select this particular signature for your new message and for replies and forwards. What do I mean by new signature? It means that this particular signature that you have just entered, select this and then simply click on save, or just simply close it. It will auto save, and then this is how you can just add your new signature in your Outlook mail. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.